We go to meteorologist Michelle Muscatello. Michelle, it was cold this morning. I definitely feel like my heater just wasn't working good enough.
Yeah, you know, cold, dry this morning. This is going to be another storm system for southeastern New England that produces more rain than wintry weather. But I do think as you travel further inland, you will see some wintry weather, possibly some small accumulations. And then as you move into central and northern New England, those are the areas, say, north of the Mass Pike into New Hampshire, Vermont, that be the bullseye there, the heaviest snowfall totals of far western Massachusetts, where we're talking closer to those foot amounts. But locally, it's mostly rain again. Radar across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. Skies dry this morning, expecting to stay that way through the daytime. And one of the main concerns for our area, and we're talking mostly southeast of Providence, from 4 o'clock this afternoon through Thursday morning, would be the potential for some damaging wind gusts. We may see winds strengthen from the north-northeast during the later part of today into tonight, and gusts as high as 45, 55 miles per hour, maybe even a few 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Now, just outside of our area, they're under a winter weather advisory. Area shaded in blue, and it's a winter storm warning for the areas of purple, so you can get a sense of where we're expecting those higher snowfall totals to be. And again, it's north and west. Right now, there aren't any sort of winter weather advisories for our area. I wouldn't be surprised if northwestern Rhode Island ended up with some sort of weather alert based on the amount of wintry weather. It's a mix that area may see this evening into the first part of tonight. It's 19 right now in Woonsocket. It's 24 in Coventry. Chilly start Charlestown, 21, 26 right now in Little Compton. We take a look here at the conditions and for the daytime today. In a bigger picture on the satellite and radar, you can see where the storm system is advancing in towards the north and east. Same system that produced all the tornadoes in the deep south yesterday. It is going to move into the colder air here in New England, but the temperatures for our area will rise through the night. So while we may start off with a wintry mix, we make that change over to plain rain. Futurecast for this morning, working our way out of the 20s, about the freezing mark by 11 o'clock in the morning. We'll only climb to the mid and upper 30s for highs most areas. And we may briefly hit 40 along the coastline, Newport and Westerly. I have us at 39, Hope Valley. Northern suburbs, your highs today coming in at about 37 in Burrillville, 39 in Johnston, and southeastern Massachusetts. Your highs in the upper 30s to near 40. Increasing clouds through the day, but staying dry. Our futurecast will start us off here at about 5 o'clock. Actually, we'll start at 2 o'clock this afternoon, and you can see the clouds thickening up, but staying dry through the evening hours. And then as we go into the, say, 7 o'clock, after 7 is when we're going to watch the leading edge of what should be rain south and east of Providence. But notice the blue here. So a brief period of wintry mix. Notice how it lasts a little longer in the higher elevations north and west of Providence. So that's where we're talking about perhaps a couple of inches of slushy snow and sleet. 8 o'clock in the morning, it's all rain everywhere. It'll be heavy during the morning and then tapering to showers in the afternoon. So I'm looking at up to an inch of snow for areas 295 down into western Kent County. As you travel just in those highest elevations north and west of 295, that's where you have the potential to see a couple of inches of snow. It's a quick change to rain, though, along the coastline in Providence south and east. So little to no accumulation there. It's going to be a windy and rainy start tomorrow, tapering to showers in the afternoon near 45. We may see another round of light snow over the weekend. It looks like Saturday